Asian grilled chicken thighs has so much flavors and easily get addicted. Today I am showing you how to put together an awesome sandwich and you'll be able to just swap out one of those ham sandwich for this baby in no time. This is Melanie. Welcome. To make good grilled chicken sandwich, you need good grilled chicken thigh recipe. Tell you what, if you smash that like and subscribe button, I will reveal to you my secret in my Asian grilled chicken thigh recipe. Just comment down below to let me know if you want this recipe for this bad boy. You're also gonna need some cilantro. I do, because I love cilantro. So just chunk them up and some green onion. This is just something I always been adding to my sandwich. If you don't like this flavor, that's totally fine, but I bet you if you add it, it's gonna be so much flavor. It's so different, and you can just put the whole thing in your sandwich. That's fine. I've done that. That's totally different than you shredding them up. Try different ways. You'll like the shredded if you have time. So that's it. That is done for the toppings. Skin up a little bit of extra skin there. Just thinly slide them up, or you can chunk them up, or you can chop them up, or you can just half the chicken, cut it in half lengthwise, and shove it into the hoagie, the bread, the sandwich. Any way you want it, you will be able to eat it just fine. The flavor will still be there. For the bread, you can make the bread on your own. The issue with that is that you have young kids, they're gonna be jumping in, and there you go, fight with them, or just throw them a piece of dough and you you off the hook. But there's also an issue with this making your own bread at home, is that you have so many pieces and you gotta eat so many of them, and you're addicted to, like, fascinated about all of these crushed and the fresh baked bread, and the inside is so soft. It's just like the Vietnamese bread that you gotta have, but that's okay. If you have time, all that totally fine, because also you're gonna be running into problems where your kid's gonna be stealing your bread and run away. He has the issue of that since he was one. Or you can just make them into different things like pizzas, with grilled pork, with toppings and all kinds of things. And you know what? You're gonna have so much sandwich. So you can just go just to Sam's and get you a bag of hoagies and split them up like this, or Walmart sandwich is totally good too. But making your own, is you can't beat it. Stuff them up as much as you want. This is another issue with making this chicken thigh sandwich, is that, or just this sandwich in general, there's so much problem. You just have to stuff, you just have the feeling like you have to stuff them up like non-stop. I mean, this is like a whole thigh, and I ended up stuffed the whole thing. It doesn't matter if you have like pork, ham, or you have just ham, you have turkey, or you have just the sandwich meat, whatever. You're gonna stuff. You keep stuffing and stuffing until this thing is like split in half. So I stuffed this thing to death. And the next thing is to continue to stuff with cilantro and green onion. And the stuffing does not end here. Next, we're gonna be stuffing this with the pickled carrots. I was just kind of didn't take my time to get the real pickled carrots. I just steal it out from this fish sauce container for my rice dish, but stuff it with pickled carrots and then stuff it with hot pepper. If you're on the spicy side, stuff it with hot pepper. You can even, drizzle some sriracha. So notice I do not put any butter, any mayonnaise, anything else like, pate, because I am doing this with the sweet fish sauce. So comment down below if you want this fish sauce recipe. I totally will give it to you. Just comment, just help me out with my algorithm. I will give the recipe to you anyways. There you have it. It is so stuffed. And I'm drooling again. I am sorry. So another issue with this is that you stuff so much things just start falling out. You can wrap this in a piece of paper and eat it, just like in a little paper bag, and everything will fall in or stay in, or you squeeze the sandwich so that everything will stay in, or you can just eat it over this big plate where stuff fall down, you pick it up and put it back in your mouth. But try this sandwich. This is another way of eating this chicken thigh recipe that go very well with the bread, with the fish sauce and the pickled carrot. I am sorry. The flavor is so awesome. You gotta try this and let me know how you like it in the comment below. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And you know what? If you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and review my secret anyways. If you haven't commented, I'm going to give it to you anyways. You can check out my awesome recipe. You can check it out in my playlist. I have it all in the grill section, and the fish sauce in the sauce section, and the pickles in the Vietnamese authentic section. So check out all the playlists. They're all in there. You can enjoy this with rice. You can enjoy this by itself. You can enjoy this with a noodle salad. You can do all kinds of things with this. So go ahead and have fun and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and smash that like and subscribe button for future Vietnamese Asian home cook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.